I'm just gonna. God, first day after being sick and already going.
Actually, you can't really say.
You can do a couple of more. With this, the bubble.
Oh my god, this one fast.
Yeah, it is dear.
Okay, so
This is just incredible. I can't believe that I see it right now. I am right here. I have survived the craziest journey ever. I got super sick. Then I had to take 2 more trains, 2 planes, then the cable cars to get here, and I got here by like 11 at night. Oh god. Oh, look, there's a plane. It's just... Yeah. Oh my god, should I get closer? Thing which I actually needed is a yogurt that costs only $2.20, because in that shop everything costs no less than $4.90. So I would call this success. Definitely success.
But then you hit a point where you just hang out with people like in your frequency.
these. What the? Die! I want to say something.
Come on.
Yes. I wish.
Fly out of London.
No. The project as well. For the last.
I don't remember where the university.
Different situation. Sunbathing, chilling, having the best life. You know we're cleaning now. We're not skiing.
Go to ski.
No. Andrea said we're all cleaning. Please, steal me. Kidnap me. Can you kidnap me?
Do you want to? See my plans.
No, come on.
Yeah.
What the fuck? We're almost matching the colors. Like, see, like gray pants, nice. Do that one.
Check is.
Wait. No, I like I'm filming with the front camera, so now I have to be like, look, oh shit. What? No. Champions breakfast. Change of scenery. Yes.
Composition. Arena, only when you have a little bit time, it's your free time, understand, correct? Can you a little bit looking at Andrea, feel like a little bit how help you?
Help her.
Her, you, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, my English is not so good. I'm finished today.
Okay.
But you understand
Yes.
what's that?
Yeah, that's recording.
Sorry, sorry.
No, I'll cut it.
When you have a little bit time, go to Andrea.
But thank you so much, Rainy.
But this is crazy.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. Beautiful. Yeah. It's extremely icy.
Just that?
You know?
Have the disc. I have a.
Take your picture. She's so cute. Look at her. Okay, wants to go. Yes.
Cat, right? Cat, please.
You're you're so bad at. Come.
Go, you just put inside, okay? On the bar. Oye, it's the time I... Vamos, muy bien.
What's up? Goals. Oh, chill. The best cleaner ever. Yes. Whatever. I gotta live forever. Oh God. What a life. Going to the swimming pool.
Yes.
In the hotel.
€1.
One what?
Huh? What?
1 hour. Okay.
Yeah,
I thought you said €1. I'm like, what? No, €1?
With the names?
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh my God, look at them. They're so cute.
Can I touch you?
Maybe. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's enough for swimming pool. We can stay here.
Look the swimming.
Oh. You see, like, there's a slide. Oh, okay.
Wow.
It is so great.
What? I am white.
Ooh. I almost fell. What a life! I love life in mountains. That's crazy. One life.
Maybe with that one.
What a life. Did we enjoy? Yes.
Big life.
Absolutely. Recommend.